To use Indeed as an employer and post a job on the platform. Follow these steps. First, create an Indeed account if you do not already have one. Go to the Indeed website and click on the Post a Job button at the top right corner of the page. You will be prompted to log in or create an account. Once you have an account, you will be directed to the Indeed employer dashboard. Here, you can manage all your job postings and view applications from potential candidates. To post a new job, click on the Post a Job button and enter the required details such as job title, company name, location, and job description. When writing your job description, be sure to include relevant keywords that candidates may use when searching for jobs. This will help your job posting appear in search results and attract the right candidates. You should also include information about the company culture, salary range, and any benefits or perks that you offer. Next, you will need to choose the type of job posting you want to create. Indeed offers a range of options, including free job postings and sponsored job postings. Sponsored job postings will appear at the top of search results and can help you attract more candidates. After choosing the type of job posting, you will need to set a budget for your job posting. Indeed uses a pay-per-click model, so you will only pay for the job posting when a candidate clicks on it. You can set a daily budget and a total budget for the job posting. Once you have set your budget, you can review and post your job. Indeed will review your job posting to ensure it meets their guidelines, and then it will be live on the site. You can manage your job posting and view applications from the Indeed employer dashboard. Best practices for posting a job on Indeed include using relevant keywords, including information about company culture, and setting a competitive salary range. You should also respond promptly to applications and use the Indeed messaging system to communicate with candidates. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Indeed as an employer and post a job on the platform. Indeed is a powerful tool for attracting top talent and filling job openings quickly and efficiently.